This is our high-performance C&Z Purlin roll forming line, designed to process grade 450 steel from 1.0 up to 3.0 millimeters thickness. The line starts with a hydraulic decoiler, followed by guiding and leveling to ensure smooth and accurate feeding. The roll forming section shapes the steel through 22 forming stations, producing strong and precise C&Z profiles. With electric width adjustment, size changes are fast and simple. 3 hydraulic punching units ensure accurate hole positioning, while the high-precision hydraulic cutting system delivers clean and exact lengths. The entire line is controlled by a PLC system with automatic length and quantity control, making production stable, efficient, and easy to operate. This video was recorded during factory inspection to showcase the machine structure, main components, and basic operating functions. Please note, this is not a full production test and does not represent the maximum production speed or full performance capacity. Reliable, efficient. Built for real industrial work. If you're planning your next production line, contact the experts at La Rosa Machinery today and let us help you find the right solution for your project.